In today's video, I'm going to teach you Google Gemini promo code updated 2026. If you're looking for a Google Gemini promo code, the first thing to understand is that Google usually does not use traditional promo codes in the way many other online services do. In most cases, you won't find a simple code to type in at checkout for a discount on Gemini or on a Google One AI premium subscription. Instead, Google typically applies offers automatically through official promotion pages, partner bundles, device perks, or student verification programs, so the best place to begin is by going directly to the official Google Gemini website. Starting from the official site helps you avoid misleading third-party pages and makes sure any available offer is legitimate and current. Once you're there, keep an eye out for promotions tied to Google AI Pro or Google One AI Premium. Google sometimes runs limited time deals for new users, including discounted plans or extended free trials. These offers are usually shown directly on official landing pages, especially during seasonal campaigns or special promotional periods. If you're a student, this is another important option to check. Eligible higher education students may qualify for an extended free trial through Google's official student verification process. If that applies to you, it's worth reviewing the student offer carefully and completing verification only through the official portal. Another possible source of Gemini benefits is a recent Pixel device purchase. Google sometimes includes premium Gemini access or trial benefits with eligible hardware. So if you've recently bought a supported device, check the benefits section in your Google account or Google One area to see whether anything has been included automatically. For business users, there may also be promotional savings available through Google Workspace plans that include Gemini features. These deals are usually connected to official business offers or recognized partner promotions, rather than a public coupon code. If you manage a team or company account, it's worth reviewing those options from the proper Google business pages. Also remember that Gemini has a free tier. If you don't need premium features right away, you can still access core Gemini tools without using any coupon or paid subscription. That can be a great way to test the platform before deciding whether an upgrade makes sense. One final tip: be careful with websites or videos claiming they have secret or exclusive Gemini promo codes. Many of those offers are unreliable and may try to push surveys, downloads, or other risky steps. For safety, always claim offers directly from official Google pages. That's the key takeaway. For Gemini, don't hunt for random coupon codes. Go straight to Google, check official offers, and use verified promotions when they're available.